people, this is Penzazo TV and you're still hanging out with your very girl Funky F. You know how we'll do it every day to keep you posted on latest questions and get opinions of people out there. Today I'm going to be asking a very important question, and that question is, how much alone time do you need to have or develop your relationship? How much alone time do you need to develop your relationship if you're in a relationship, or probably you're planning to go into a relationship? So now let's go out there as we get the opinions on the street from other persons. Join me, let's go.
You know that in love in Igbo means that means that the first time you see the person, you start knowing the person very well. So in other words, to know some people, courtship's all about studying each other's behavior for at least 6 months. You start knowing the person very well. That's all about relationship. So but 6 months elapses, another time is additional, but at least constitutionally 6 months. So I can develop the relationship in 6 months.
6 months is okay for you?
It's okay for me.
Alright. So now the second...
Caution and well, because of something is happening now. Those girls is very stubborn. Okay, later now I assume that if I invest now, I go one place, go relax my mind. I go one beer parlor. I go one beer parlor, take 1 or 2 things, and just relax my mind. Yeah.
So how many hours go take you to settle the matter?
Just 30 minutes is okay.
30 minutes. Once you come back from the beer parlor?
Yes, 30 minutes.
You go settle with her? Okay. Based on how the matter...
Son is they get as it be, because I don't think say relationship something where they use 10 years they build or 15 years they build. Because if you spend most years for relationships, say like 15 or 10 years, then how many days one day inside the marriage? So relationship, nobody I think say a matter with years. Okay. At least 2 weeks, 3 weeks is good for me.
2 weeks. What time do you need to do?
I need time is not. You can develop your relationship within 2 or 4 days or a month or a year. It doesn't matter. You understand? Anytime is good for you to develop a relationship.
Anytime for you, it's okay.
Yes.
All right. If things are not going on well in your relationship and probably you want to set things right, how much time do you need?
Yeah, I need like 2 weeks or 3 weeks for me to settle down.
1 or 2 now.
1 or 2 years or months, weeks?
It's 1 year or 2 years.
Will the person keep waiting for you for 2 years?
It can be possible now.
You guys will not see each other, you guys will not do any other thing, just let's give ourselves some time.
Yes. Yeah.
You can stay?
Yes, I can stay.
Okay, now, no problem.
You don't need to spend overnight of thinking of how to settle with your husband. Yes. A day shouldn't pass you.
Wow, why would a day not pass?
Because in the Bible, God tells us that if someone annoyed us, or we shouldn't get angry before the sun sets.
Wow.
Yes, to my own understanding, I think that when your husband offend you, you shouldn't allow it, or you shouldn't sleep with that anger.
Till the next day.
You make sure that both of you settle before the day done.
All right.
It depends on my spouse, you understand? So I know that 2 can work together if they agree. She understand. So it's just that sometimes relationships are a thing that goes ups and downs. She understand? Yeah. So when you get the real one, it doesn't take time before it develops. The real love will be there. The feelings will be there also. Yeah. But if there's a way that thing is bridging somehow, it takes time. So that is it.
Right, I still remain Funky F on Penzazo TV, and it was fun out there today with my audience and people on the street. They gave me so many opinions from their own part of view, saying how long they need to develop their relationship. Some said they will go to a beer parlor and before they can settle. Some say they will take a day, some say months and all that. But better still, you can still drop your comments on our YouTube page or drop your answers or questions, whichever one you choose to drop. But I still remain your very girl, Funky F. Don't forget that, I'm always giving you the funky things. I love you.